Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share some amazing Windows 11 tips to make your PC easier to use. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. Let's get started. 1. Emoji keyboard. If you need emojis on your laptop, press Windows + key on your keyboard. This will open an emojis keyboard. Here you will see a lot of emojis. You can also search for emojis from here. 2. GodMode. GodMode is a Windows feature that provides quick access to all system settings in one place for easy management. To use GodMode, you first need to enable it. For that, create a new folder on the desktop. Copy this GUID from the description and paste it as the folder name, and press the Enter key. You will see that the folder icon will change. Double-click to open it. You can see all Windows settings in this folder. 3. Applications Explorer. With the help of Applications Explorer, you can see all the apps on your PC in a single folder. To use it, we first need to enable it. For that, create a new folder on the desktop. Copy this GUID from the description and paste it as the folder name, and press the Enter key. You will see that the folder name has changed. Double-click to open it. You can see all the apps on your PC inside this folder. 4. Voice typing. Voice typing is a Windows feature that allows you to type by speaking, making typing faster and hands-free. To use it, first open Notepad or any other text editor tool. Press the Windows +H keys to activate voice typing. Now, start speaking, and you will see that whatever you speak is being converted into text. Click on the microphone button to enable or disable the microphone. 5. Virtual desktop. Virtual desktop lets you create multiple desktops, making multitasking easier and more organized. To create a virtual desktop, press Ctrl + Windows +D key on the keyboard, and you can see that a new virtual desktop has been created. If you press Ctrl + Windows +D again, a new virtual desktop will be created. You can switch between virtual desktops using Ctrl + Windows + left and right arrow keys. To delete any virtual desktop, first switch to the virtual desktop you want to delete, and press Ctrl + Windows + F4 on the keyboard, and your virtual desktop will be deleted. This way, you can delete any of your virtual desktops. You can also click on the task view icon to create, delete, and switch virtual desktops. 6. SlideToShutdown. SlideToShutdown is a Windows feature that lets you shut down your PC by sliding the screen down. To use it, we first need to create its shortcut. For that, right-click on the desktop, go to New, and then select Shortcut. Copy the SlidetoShutdown Executable from the description and paste it here, and click on Next. Write the name you want to give it here, and click on Finish. You can see a shortcut of SlideToShutdown created on the desktop. Double-click the shortcut to open it, drag down to shut down, or drag up to cancel. If you want to change its icon, right-click on it and go to Properties. Now, in the Shortcut tab, click on Change Icon. If you have another icon, click Browse and select your icon. Or select one from the given icons and click on OK. Now, click Apply, then click OK. And you can see that its icon has changed.